Two Kenyan man just bring one kind of ogbonge thing come outside. Two of them amicably agree say they won't exchange their wife. Nothing where person no go hear. In fact, this one are weird news. Anytime when you hear all this kind of things, you go know say na either from Kenya, Zimbabwe, I been na one kind of country because now then they make all this kind of decision. But as we gather them, then these two men, no be say they do them by fight too. They mutually they agree. Say to settle their differences, so because say they catch one woman where they cheat, one of the wives they cheat. So make it not come be like say the cheating matter won't come cause beginner. Make two of them accept say, okay, fine, make we exchange. As it be say your wife don't they enter my eye, me self my eye they enter your wife body. Make we kuku exchange and the wife make we take settle everything. This one it really surprised me, but my people Abeg. Make not be like say they lie on top then these people head make now use na eye see for ourselves.
Out she came. The same woman he picked from Kelvin Barasa about a year ago during the unforgettable swapping of their wives at the end of 2019. The bright smile he wore told it all. He's indeed a happy man. Christofer and Lillian, his wife for the last 1 year, it was clear, or at least it appears, they are making good memories.
Kulingana na maisha yangu, naona nilikuwa mzee wakati ule. Hata ukiangalia tu ile nini ya kwanza, naonekana nilikuwa mzee, lakini sasa mimi ni kijana.
Naishi vizuri. Watoto wangu wanaishi vizuri. Sina tatizo lolote.
Lillian is quick to clarify that she has no regrets since parting ways with her first husband, Kelvin Barasa. And these lovebirds have something to show for the time they have been together. Once again, a couple blown away by love. Clearly, their swapped spouses' memories no longer bother them.
Maisha naona ni mazuri na nipeleka sawa. Sioni ugumu wote upande wangu.
Huyu mwanadada mwenye niko naye huyu alimchukua kama bwana wake. Na pia mimi nikamchukua kama bibi yangu. Na zile matendo zenye ananifanyia ule hakuwahi kunifanyia.
Barasa and Immaculate seem full of joy, and they don't seem to be going back.
Oh, I don't see Abby. According to the story, Mr. Kelvin talks say, he here saying wife they cheat on him with Mr. Christofer. He no agree believe because if he say in beloved wife, how that one go to happen? Now the guy reason am one day. Come go catch this woman inside this man place. The woman they cook, they do things, different style for this man. Now then she come and see wife who are trolls like this. Now they do this kind of Kenya people. They no get joy. They no they even disturb themselves anyhow. Now the woman says, you don't catch me, be that. Me self now Christofer now I won't follow case close. I know they do any wahala. And I see simple and short. If say na Nigeria one drama African magic film for don't happen. Why for don't carry bottle break husband head, make husband carry this one. When marriage don't separate, marriage don't scatter be that. But this one the woman agree say yes so I don't want to talk too much. In fact now this person now I love now him I won't follow. Now, out of revenge, na dear Christofer, I been a Kelvin. Congo they toast Christofer wife where that one self they marry, where inside going house. Congo they Lord, I don't know what he tell that one. So tell that one self can't agree say him go love up. That one self can't agree say him go marry. Hey, on a Kenya, on they surprise me. Now so now they do for now own side. Pacific just come, you don't marry before, just decide, okay, now I want you. I can't be like say Juju there inside this matter. Because if Juju not there, I know she say person will just agree just like that. Say, I won't follow you. But as the matter behind this woman agree, say she go marry this man. Now there, they won't go police station, say go inform police, so maybe in case any wahala won't happen. These two people, Christofer and his new wife, they agree, say yes, they do okay. Oh, now they say love. Love they happen and then this one they don't even come out. Say okay, I will leave the pic. They carry their children. Hey, love in Kenya. This one surprised me. So I beg if Pikin sick, I be the one go do DNA. So you go come call your ex-husband. Be I wanted one. But I don't watch channel. After 1 year, these people they still they okay. They still they very happy. Say they never, in fact, they no regret them. They don't even regret the feelings that they even exchange. But like how person wanted the reason themselves because as normally you as a person where they jealous, somebody like me. If I see you for a road with my husband, I feel they jealous. But bless than this one, they no dey even reason am. Bless for Kenya, no be na normal thing, no be even strong thing for that side. As long as say the man don't agree, the woman self don't agree, case closed. But now what? This one me I dey see and say if it dey wrong. Because some person will go to chop your wife. You chop and finish, you can't leave am. Can't go second round. Go another person place. Person wait 12 na no. And then I go still be friends. The thing no go dey pain enough for heart. It means that this man self their heart strong. And then these women self at the talk and say fear women. Fear women no person with their husband house. I no talk say girlfriend. Married woman, they in husband house. You go come up from your husband house. Go they cook for another man, they still can't catch you. She even still get V. She never even move or she never even shake. She take am with joy say yes. I dey cheat. I don't accept. Hey, Kenya people na surprise me. I dey wait make this one happen inside Nigeria because I know see the kind katara wey go burst for that kind matter. Say people dey exchange. The kind wahala wey go cause, we go know say yes, this one inside Nigeria happen. But Kenya people, they no see am to be anything. In fact, they accept am wholeheartedly. Now what for this one I love. My people, I hear this one. I can't make I bring am come. Make myself in an ear. Yeah, wetin dey happen inside Kenya. Anything wey na feel, make not forget to write am inside the comment section. Make not also forget to like and share this video. I will see you on for the next video. Dem don sen ten ce ex-South African president to 15 months in prison. Hey, history. This one don break Guinness Book of Records. I never hear say forget the ex, make we just put the president. Say ex-president enter inside jail. Abeg, when this one go enter Naija? When this kind thing go reach our side? Because we know this man wey dey enter jail, it means say him go see we. Him go use me eye see things and him go shock. People wey no like am inside that prison, they go show am pepper. Because this one, they just break history. Hey, President Jacob Zuma, when they talk, say they find him guilty for defiling court orders. This man said, now you bring problem to yourself. The second court, they allege you say, you dey into corruption, say you thief things. Come court, may they ask you questions. In fact, maybe you go answer yes or no, I no do this thing. They say this man no even go at all. He no even near the place because they feel say, as per president now him be the God of everywhere. Nothing go happen to them. Before we go see, anti-judge don't vex. Now the anti-judge give am jail sentence, say abeg, me go do small summer holiday inside prison yard. My people, making a watch.
South Africa's top court was clear and scathing in its ruling, declaring that the former President Jacob Zuma was a manipulative liar who'd sought to destroy the rule of law to save his own skin.
No person is above the law, and every person, whatever be her or his rank or condition, is subject to the ordinary realm of the law and amenable to the jurisdiction of its tribunals.
Jacob Zuma, already on trial in a separate corruption case, now has 5 days to hand himself over to the police. This is an extraordinary moment for South Africa. Mr. Zuma is facing jail for refusing to cooperate with this public inquiry into the corruption that flourished during his presidency. He insists he's innocent, a victim. But today, a man who last went to prison half a century ago for his role as a freedom fighter against racial apartheid is heading back to jail in the democracy he fought to build.
Una don see abi? You wey be say you dey on that trial case, they come invite you say, come make we follow you talk. You know, come. I no go surprise say soon this man go talk say in nowhere. Now make I no come because we know all this our African president and people. There's a big lie. They can't lie where this man go bring out come now. Even the judge go faint. I no go surprise say the man go come up with one kind but thing. And as we dey gather am, they say so many financial scandals now happen for this man ten the time when they rule. And say, in fact, they get about 40 witnesses. 40 people where they as witness this thing. But as it be, I know even sure say they're ready to hear all this one where the man do. As far as say, he no come that court. When court talk, say, come. It means say for that side, nobody there above the law. They don't give this man 5 days to bring out himself. If not, I sure say they go even add extra vacation inside that prison for him. And they see where country the law they work. Or now they say for South Africa, some people law and democracy still they work. I hope say this one where God do for inside South Africa, it go happen enter Nigeria and other African countries. Make we go see people negotiate. In fact, all these politicians they go they battle, they enter inside prison. Because you know say some of them as a dey there now money because of money, how to thief money now make them enter this place. But see this woman, she no even look and say na president, I be governor, be na anything. He give her the law face to face. With the reason I say 15 months more. Now because I dey call am 15 months, this one na like 1 year, 3 months. It plenty for my eye. A whole ex-president go sit down inside prison. But I sure say they go even give am special treatment. I sure say bed and television go dey inside your own prison because I'm not sure say they will go carry and join all those people wey be say they don't kill, do all those, because I sure say he no go even come out alive. Person wey don old like this, in fact say resemble corruption. Person wey don old like this go come decide say he no go even see am. He no go see all this kind of thing. He sure me die. But now wow, a whole president, your own tenure, you dey there, they consume money anyhow. So a president make na dey reason. If na one chop and chop and small. No be say you go dey chop am, be say everybody go come know say you dey chop this kind of thing. Abeg, in South Africa people, abeg, make na borrow us on a court. That on a court and make na borrow us. Make we self use am inside Nigeria. I sure say this thing e go touch every country one by one. All these politicians, they go later face them. All these presidents, they go later face them. My people, I hear this one inside Saudi. Want to make a bring and come on aside. Making ourselves using our ear. Hear everything they happen. Make sure don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for our next video.